think he's getting like a big gulp of air or something.
Wow.
Now he's planking.
A massive pig.
Here, you want me to lift you up?
Seriously.
Mouth top.
Oh, yeah. Somebody took it to the zoo.
Incidents.